Hi everybody, today I want to talk to you, oh my gosh, hi everybody, I'm losing all of my flanges. At least I'm not losing my mind, right? As a parent, sometimes I feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm just dropping my flanges. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about Pumpin Pal flanges. Now I am not paid for or sponsored by Pumpin Pal. I did purchase these flanges for my lactation pump flange kit for trying with patients. So this is not a sponsored ad, but I want you to be aware of some of the flange products that are out and available on the market to get you a more comfortable, more efficient pump. I will say, of all of the flanges out there, I probably put people in the Pumpin Pals the least of some of the other flanges, but when they work really, really, really well. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about Pumpin Pals. Basically, Pumpin Pal has changed the angle and approach of the traditional flange to the breast. So instead of the straight trumpet approach, it puts it at a tuba angle. So this can feel really comfortable for people with, I find, larger breasts, elastic nipples where it really stretches. This flange approach to the breast is totally different than a traditional flange, so it can feel much more comfortable. Pumpin Pal does come in a variety of sizes. The orange is their extra large. These are great for if you have a really large nipple, like $half size, quarter size, that just does not fit well in a traditional flange. This I have found works really well for very large nipples. This is the orange. And then they have, this is their large. So the orange is the extra large. The purple is the large. This is for more like a 24 millimeter, 27 millimeter, so 27, 30, 24, 27. You've got the medium, which is the green, which is like 21 to 24. And then there's pink and blue. Now the difference between the sizes, again, diameter is different. The larger sizes are in hard plastic. The advantage of the smaller sizes is they are soft silicone. So if you have 19 to 21 or 17 to 19 millimeter nipples, smaller nipple, normal size nipples, they have them in soft silicone, which gives a good compression while changing the angle and approach to the breast. So Pumpin Pal has changed the game for pump flanges in terms of the angle and approach to the breast. To apply the soft silicone, it works the same as if you're applying a Haka or the Lactec flanges, which are often also soft silicone. You flip it back, you get it centered onto the nipple, and then you flip it on to give yourself a nice full seal. So again, that approaches the breast totally different while giving a little compression and massage. These flanges are compatible with pumps like Medela, where you can just pop them on. So any pump that has a removable flange, these should be compatible with. And they can also be compatible with Spectra flanges with this adapter that would come with those flanges. So you're just going to get an adapter and that will screw into your Spectra pump. You can also then hack this. You can Franken hack as much as you want, right? So you could then take your wide Spectra adapter and then put in a bottle adapter and pump into a narrow neck bottle like the Dr. Brown. So lots of options for being able to change and accommodate that. So again, these are the Lactec flanges. Are the Pumpin Pals that change the angle to the breast to get that different latch. Another thing to be mindful of is you can change the direction on these in the approach to the breast. So most people would have them come this way to approach the breast, but depending on your breast size, shape, the heaviness, density of the breast, you could also turn it upside down and pump this way. So play around with it. I've never seen anyone do them to the side, lateral, but if it felt more comfortable to do it, if you had lateral nipples that were off to the side, you could experiment with changing the direction and the angle for how these approach the breast. So again, these are the Pumpin Pals. They come in a variety of sizes. The cool thing is when you order them, you actually will get 3 sizes. so that you can experiment with which one works best for you. Give me a shout out if you have tried these, if these are the love of your life, if these changed the game for pumping for you, because they are a great option for if you're finding it really difficult to get a comfortable pump on the traditional straight tunnel flanges. So there's your Pumpin' Pals. Now you know.